Welcome to all students in the classes of atomic structure. In the previous class, I have already taught your Bohr's atomic model. What are the drawbacks of Rutherford atomic model? By the law of electrodynamics, revolving electron around the nucleus emit electromagnetic radiation in form of energy and at last fall into the nucleus. This defect was removed by Niels Bohr by applying Planck's quantum theory. According to Niels Bohr, number 1 point, electron does not move around the nucleus in different concentric circular paths, but electron moves around the nucleus in certain fixed prescribed orbit. Number 2 point, only those orbits are permitted in which an angular momentum of an electron, that is mvr, will be equal to nh by 2 pi, where m is mass of electron, v velocity of electron, R atomic radius, M principal quantum number, H Planck's constant. This is equation 1. Third point, jumping of electron from one orbit to another orbit is production or emission or absorption of energy. When an electron jumps from inner orbit to outer orbit, energy is emitted, and when an electron jumps from outer orbit to inner orbit, energy is absorbed. This energy is emitted or absorbed in quanta. Let us assume that electron jump from nth orbit to the pth orbit. Then En minus Ep is equal to h nu, where En total energy of nth orbit, EP, total energy of pth orbit. This is frequency. Fourth number point. Why electron moves around the nucleus? Then Bohr suggested the force of attraction between positive charge nucleus and negative charge electron, that is Coulombian force, will be equal to the centrifugal force. Then electron will move around the nucleus in certain fixed prescribed orbit. Now the equation will be E square 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 E square by R square is equal to mv square by R. So Bohr suggested these 4 parameters about atomic model. So this is known as Bohr's atomic